how to move Steam games to another hard drive. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Steam software up right here. So once you do that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now what we want to do next is to go here on the top left corner of the screen and then click the Steam icon and then click the settings, which is right here. Once you do that, go here on the left part of this tab and then click storage. Now once you're here, you will now be able to see all of the games that you have in your PC. So currently I don't have any game right here. So the next thing that we need to do is to click this one right here, which is the Acer, and then click add drive. Once you click drive right here, all you have to do is to go here on this PC and then click the driver or hard drive that you want to include or add into your Steam. So currently I don't have any other drive that I can use. So let's just pretend that I have chosen a drive right here, and then let's say for example that this is the hard drive. So what we want to do next is to click the current drive that we're using. So just select all of the games that you want to move right there. So once you select all of those, just click the move button right here. And then a tab should pop up wherein you will be able to see on where would you like to transfer or move the games. So all you have to do is to select the hard drive that you have just added earlier and then click confirm. So that is basically it. Just wait for it to finish and then that should be it. So once again, that is how to move Steam games to another hard drive.